Okay everyone, we've got another couple of openings here. We've got XY Flash Fire. Let's go to the XY first, see what we've got today. Okay, save this for another time. 1, 2, 3, down, 1, 2, bring those to the back. There we go. Okay, let's take a look. Bunnelby, Sandile, Voltorb, Skiddo. It's a nice looking picture there. Scatterbug, Illumis. Oh, Super Potion, okay. Herdia, righto. Okay, what do we got here? Fletchinder, reverse. Look at that, okay. Pavilion. Alright. Just move those to the side. Check out here. Open up Flash Fire now. So you know, tomorrow I'll be doing a couple of Furious Fists openings. The Friday Furious Fists. Okay, let's take a look here. Save that for the subs another time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Move them to the back. Okay. Litleo. Yeah, I'm just not a fan of these ones, you know. And just in the game, they just seem a bit plain. Sneasel. Seedot. Flabébé. Shinx. Fletchinder. Luxio. Pidgeotto. Okay, okay. Esper reverse. And Dusknoir. Okay. Dusknoir Hollow. Very cool. Very cool. Alright, so that's it for now. Subscribe, like. I've got Friday Fists coming up, Furious Fists coming up tomorrow. Check that out. It'd be awesome. Later.